I created a page using HTML documents. First, starting with doctype HTML. This tag is to say this code belongs to HTML5 standard. And let's start with HTML tag, and I used h tag for content, and I used title tag for title with page, and I closed the header section, and I opened the body section, and I used the center tag to align the elements properly, and I used h1 tag for headings, HTML forms, and I used form tag for a box tag form, uh, and I used a legend tag and strong tag for the word registration to be a strong and bold, and I used a table self padding for aligning the space, and I used um, TD for table data for the name field uh, name, and I gave the input type as text, and I used TR for table rows, and I used table data for password input type password, and I used table data for comments, and I used table data for email ID, and I used table data for phone number, and I used table data for date of birth, and I used table data for month, and, and I used table data for time. In this, I used input tag, uh, and br tag, and input type is equal to checkbox. Checkbox is for selecting any one options, uh, and I used the input type radio, which can be which only one option can be selected. For example, male and female, uh, and I used a website URL, and I used select tag for uh, options like Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Delhi, Hyderabad, and Rajasthan. Uh, and I used label tag for uploading status, and I used button on click button for submit button and reset button, and I closed the table row tag, table body tag, field set tag, form tag, and center tag, and body tag, and closed with HTML tag.